Hey Corkies, welcome back. We're bringing you another fall cocktail in our fall cocktail series. And like I promised, it's another spin on the old fashioned. That's right, we're doing the maple old fashioned. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to corkandjava.com. I'm Billy, and we all know you're supposed to get joy and fascination from even the little things in life that most people take for granted. So here at Cork and Java, we're here to expand and enrich your experience with all of your favorite beverages through wine and coffee and other beverage reviews and how-tos. This fall, we're doing this amazing fall cocktail series. There's been some amazing cocktails, and we did a caramel apple old-fashioned recently, which was very good. Featured a apple cinnamon simple syrup, and that one was very good. And today we are going to do a little twist called the maple old-fashioned. It's pretty popular and it's super easy to do. All you're going to need is a bourbon of your choice, and we at Cork and Java always go with a rye bourbon. And a good rye to start with is this Bulleit Rye. So we typically like that one for our old-fashioned cocktails. Before Prohibition, they really used rye predominantly for their whiskeys. So if you want to kind of experience your old-fashioned like they did pre-Prohibition era, or real old-fashioned, you're going to want to pick up a rye. They're really great. They got a little bit of a spicy bite to them. So we're going to start out with that rye actually. We're going to put in about 2 ounces. Then on top of that, and we got a nice big block of ice down there. You can do regular ice cube if you want. You can do an ice ball. They got molds for that. We typically do an ice ball or an ice block. We got molds for both of them. I can leave a link down in the description if you're looking to pick up some cool ice molds like the ones we use. It really enhances the aesthetic of your cocktail, and it doesn't water down the drink as fast as like more ice cubes would, because there's just less surface area. So we're going to do an ounce of maple syrup there, and just give that a nice stir to incorporate that syrup. We keep our syrup in the fridge so it's a little bit thick. So got a nice stir there. And to garnish, we got an orange peel that I just peeled. And if you kind of twist it a little bit, it releases some of the oils. You can even rub it on the rim a little bit there. Stick that in there. Then we got a maraschino cherry. We didn't splurge on the good kind this time, but it's really just for presentation in there. They got some real nice maraschino cherries from Italy. They are amazing, but you know, you can find the cheap stuff in any grocery store. There you have it. The maple old-fashioned. Let's give it a try, shall we? Oh yeah. Oh, so good. I love that flavor of the maple syrup. You're definitely going to want to invest in some 100% pure maple syrup, not that Aunt Jemima corn syrupy syrup stuff that has artificial flavorings. The stuff that comes right from the tree, that's the best. Oh, this is good stuff. Leave a comment down below with what is your favorite bourbon to use for old fashions, or just what's your favorite bourbon in general. I'd like to know. Make sure you guys are giving us a thumbs up if you like this video. It just helps the YouTube algorithm put our faces in front of more people, and it helps us grow. So we really appreciate that. Also guys, we got a Facebook group, a Pinterest, a Twitter, and an Instagram, and we're looking forward to seeing you and having great community in all those places online. So until next time, bottoms up.